My name is Paul Akibusi, engineer. I am a graduate of electrical electronics, so I will be taking you on DSTV installation, CCTV installation, gate operation, and if you want to know more about me, you can visit YouTube and press installer Paul. So we will talk more about it.
Papa we. Yeah, I'm Oladipo Israel by name. So these are the list of the things I can install. So I have learned a lot so far from me. Gate automation, solar installation, camera installation, and lot more. All about ELV companies. Everything about ELV is what we do. So I have learned a whole lot from it. And these are the list I could install. These are the list one. It's because it's one with a brain here. That's why. So thank you. I'm batch A stream 1. So I'm under him. I'm serving under his company. Thank you.
Please, can we also hold the